Ian from iTechworld. It's Friday, so we're going to have a look at our new generator. A lot of people have obviously seen it on Facebook. We're trying to answer some questions that people have been asking us. The obvious question is, how noisy is it? What we've done is we've got one running at the moment. Not sure if you can hear it in the video, but what we are going to do is a decibel test. So we are about 7 meters away from the unit. We measured it and it rates at 52 decibels. So it's obviously on par with some of the bigger brands, and it's as quiet a generator as you can get. Have a look at some of the features. So with this generator, it's fuel injected, so you don't have any of the issues that some carburetor generators have when you leave them for a long time. They won't start up. You won't ever have this issue with this generator. On the generator itself, you have two 15 amp AC outlets, 240, and you also have two USB ports as well. The other feature here is you can charge a 12 volt battery directly from the unit, and you have some lights on here. This is an overload light, so that if you ever overload the generator, it will switch off. If the generator needs oil, you get a light on here to let you know it needs oil. And you get the power light here to let you know it's ready to start producing power. It has a 7-litre fuel tank, which can last anywhere between 6.5 hours up to about 8-9 hours. With this, because it's fuel injected, it will start first time every time. You don't need to have the choke on it. There is a choke available. If it is really, really cold, you may have to flip it. Is there any questions on that, or anyone watching?
Yeah, thanks.
If anyone wants to ask any questions about the generator, they can ask and we can answer them live. If anyone thinks of any questions after we finish the video, they can just pop them in the comments and we'll answer them. Okay, thanks very much. See you. Cheers.